Welcome back. One of the commonest questions I'm always asked is, Dinesh, why is digital strategy so important for a small business? Now, let me tell you, digital strategy is fundamentally important to succeed online. Why? McKinsey says it the best. Simply taking your existing business and wrapping a website around it does not deliver the transformation or the success you are after. When it comes to digital, we need to understand our customers and their buying behavior much more in detail than in traditional marketing. And when we get that right, we're able to engage these customers online and then convert them into leads that convert into sales. Now, how do we do this? Now, in traditional marketing, as you know, we segment customers with demographics. That means in terms of age, in terms of their sex, language, location, income levels, etc. Now, in digital, we need to get a bit deeper. We need to understand customer behavior, their needs and their wants, their likes and their dislikes in a lot more detail. We need to understand their buying behavior, what they do when they've decided to buy, what is their decision making process. Now, is this hard to learn? Is this hard to do? No, it's not. Is it expensive to do? It's actually not. What it does is you need to know what to do, and if you don't know what to do, you need to get the right help. Why? There are simple processes. There's a 5-step process you can follow, and there are 2 principles of digital marketing we got to get right. Now, in the comments below, we'll have some links where you can get this knowledge or get that help. But watch our next videos where I will be covering a lot more detail with regard to this. Nice to have you with us. Thank you for joining us.